This is a sweet dessert, and by baking the quince, the fruit becomes very concentrated in flavor. We can also make syrup or jelly with the skins and seeds. Let's begin by washing our quince, peeling and removing the seeds and cut into eighths. Then we make our syrup with 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water, just boiled for 1 minute. Pour over the quince together with the zest of 1 orange. Bake 45 minutes in a medium oven. It's ready to serve warm or chilled with fresh cream. Now take the peels and seeds and mint leaves, half sugar and half water, and boil, simmer until the desired thickness to produce your syrup or jelly. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe if you enjoyed this video.